Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. It is freezing out here. We're gonna do our best. Get most of the surface dye knocked off and then move on inside to the warm water, hot water. We had to turn a little bit of heat up in this to break the ice off of them, but beautiful reverse tie-dye. Got good color saturation as we see. What do you think?
It looks good so far.
I think it looks beautiful as well. All the blues and turquoises coming off of it. What a beautiful offering.
All right, let's take it inside.
To the inside.
My little tub's over here.
Oh, the drip tub.
I will. Alright, let's see what she looks like.
Good stuff. Let's get it unbanded. Very interested to see how this one turned out. Get all that striation in there. Beautiful color.
Oh, look at that dragon fruit.
No, that dragon fruit. Beautiful. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. That came out really good. Let's see the back. Oh yeah, super cool. Look at all the different colors up there at the top. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
I love it.
Awesome. Look at that. You got your purples and all. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Cool.
Off the backboard. Maybe just a little more. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that didn't come out too bad. Didn't come out exactly like I wanted to. I would have preferred more greens and blues. But other than that, it came out pretty good. I think the saturation on those colors just wasn't enough because she didn't want to overrun. But otherwise, this looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Good gradient. Good striation. Pretty cool for a reverse. I mean, it's something different, that's for sure. So, I don't know. Definitely not for everybody, but something cool. We're gonna do some more like this, and we're just gonna use a different color scape when we dye them. We're not gonna try to do a rainbow on them, and if we do, it's gonna be a different pattern. So, but anyways, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.